how to know iPhone battery boosted or not. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up your system settings. From here, you can just go ahead and scroll down and you want to navigate through the camera settings. Inside camera, you want to make sure that the use volume up for burst is enabled. Right after that, let's now open up the camera application. From here, you can just go ahead and hold click the volume up button for at least 2 minutes. And if your phone's battery is decreasing rapidly, this means that your iPhone battery is boosted. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.